You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video, I gotta answer this question because I get this question like all the time. When did trading actually start clicking? This is kind of, I feel like everybody that transition from not being profitable to being profitable, you really don't know when it's just one moment it click and then you're just profitable. Like, you're just not gonna know until you look back. Like, you always have to look back, bro, and be like, damn, I'm really growing. So I feel like trading started to click when I started making trading extremely simple. Like, I stopped throwing like hella indicators on. I stopped doing RSI and divergence. I stopped just trying to make my strategy perfect. That's when I started seeing real progression. Because when you start, like, it's nothing wrong with critiquing, but when you're doing too much, I promise you, you're hurting yourself. Like, keep it simple, bro. Like, just have a set rules, have a set time, have a set pair that you like. Keep it simple, and then just track your progress. Look at the percentage. How much are you winning, or how much are you losing, and just critique that. But like, I feel like the strategy, like, don't get me wrong, other strategies have higher win percentage than others, but it all depends on the trader and how they manage the trade. You know what I'm saying? Their mentality as to how, like, can you handle losses? You know what I'm saying? So it all depends on the trader. But for me, I feel like what really helped me was just the simplicity. Like, just stop like doing all of this extra stuff. Like, stop trying to avoid losses. Like, I feel like avoiding losses can hurt you. Like, just accept the loss. Like, when the last time you accepted a loss and just still stick to that strategy? Like, I had a habit, like, when I first started, I would constantly keep switching strategies. Like just like most of y'all go on YouTube, US 30 strategy, type it in, that don't work for a week, you go into the next one. You know what I'm saying? Or you're constantly buying courses. Like, you just keep buying courses. Like, bro, after a while, bro, you have to stick something out. You have to stick it out. That's just what it is. And after a while, you're going to see that you can find your edge without having to switch your strategy. Just use what you have. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to keep doing that, bro. But don't get me wrong, sometimes some people's strategies are trash. Like, I just got to throw it out there. Some people's strategies are trash, and it needs to get enhanced because the market is always forever changing. So something that might work in the wintertime might not work in the summer months. You know what I'm saying? So you got to have something that's universal that happens for the most part. That's why I trade pure price action. Like, I like to look at candlesticks. Like, I don't even need moving averages, but I put them on anyway just to put them on, but I don't need them at all, bro. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I just really feel like the simplicity. Like, I just made things so much simple. I didn't overcomplicate things. I didn't I have a bad week and I'm ready to change a whole strategy. No, I just stick that out the whole time, and I'm like, damn, like, I'm really growing my account. I'm making big withdrawals. Like, okay, I'm really doing this. Let me just stick it out. You know what I'm saying? So traders that feel like they constantly need to change strategies, like, look at yourself. Like, I'm not even trying to bash nobody, but really look at yourself. Like, are you really being disciplined in these trades? You know what I'm saying? Like, are you letting your runners run? Like, or like, what type of trader are you? Are you an intraday scalper? Like, are you really performing the best you can when you see your setup? You gotta ask yourself that. Like, if you're not doing that, then it's not the strategy. Don't blame it on the strategy. Don't blame it on the mentor. Like, it's you, bro. Like, you have to take accountability. Like, you have to. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like most traders, they like to point fingers because they learn from somebody else. But again, certain strategies are built for certain people. Like, you learn something from somebody, they doing so great with that strategy, then you try to learn from them and then you're doing terrible. Like, it's because it's specialized for them. You know what I'm saying? That's why I always say, put your personality into anything that you do. Like, you'll learn a strategy from somebody, but what type of characteristics of the strategy is within you? You know what I'm saying? Like, how can that be a part of you at the same time? So just, like, even if somebody just trade naked charts, what if you want to slap some moving averages on? What if you want to do some divergence or whatever you want to do? But that's you, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, you put your personality on that. So yeah, this trading just clicked when I finally just made it simple. I'm gonna be honest. Like, people ask me, what was that moment? Did you have like an aha moment? I really didn't have an aha moment. It was just over a long period of time. I'm just like, okay, I'm actually profitable. Like, I'm in a green for the most part. Like I'm majority of the time I'm in a green. I do lose. I do have I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute since I had a bad a losing week. I either have a break even week or a green. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while since I had a bad week. I just gotta keep it a buck. You know, so I show all my trades on Instagram if people think I'm capping. Like I haven't had a bad week in a very long time. It's either break even or I'm up. So yeah. People keep asking me, bro, when did trading finally click? You gotta, first of all, for people that's trying to get to the other side of probability, you gotta go through the trenches, bro. You're gonna lose a lot of money, man. I might make another video on how much money I lost in total before I actually start making real money in trading. Like I lost thousands of dollars, bro. Like you're gonna have to go through that. You have to. Like I don't care if people be thinking trying to sell you a dream. I'm not gonna sell you a dream. You're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose a lot of money too. You know what I'm saying? Like you can eat, like anybody that have my course, like you're not going to be good at the system that I use from the get-go. You're going to lose money because you're not going to understand, bro. You gotta stay in there. You gotta stick it out for a little bit. Even if you go somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Like you learn from somebody else, you're not going to be as good as the person that's teaching you, bro, because they've been doing it for a while. Like that's them, that's their system. Like, you know what I'm saying? So wherever you go to learn how to get educated in a real forex market, like you're not going to be the best. It's not going to just come out of nowhere, boom, I'm that guy. Like no. You gotta get your stripes, bro. You might blow a couple accounts. You might lose a lot of money, bro. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Like, so be prepared unless you want to just hop on demo. But again, demo is not the real thing anyway. I don't ever recommend demo. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you can I recommend demo for testing. But if you want to really get good at the market, you gotta go live. You gotta throw 200, 300, 500 in there and see if you can grow that. You know what I'm saying? Or try to pass one of these challenges. And honestly, I don't even recommend people taking any challenges before they're even profitable, because you're wasting money. You gotta pay these prop firms to even take the challenge. And then even when you get the account, what if you lose the account? So now you just waste your money. Now you gotta take the challenge again, like, because you're not already profitable. So it's just like, bro, you gotta be profitable on your real live account, bro, before you even think about 6 figures or 5 figures, whatever. It doesn't matter. But yeah, trading finally clicked when I just made everything simple. That's really what happened. That's really what it come down to. I made everything simple. I stopped. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. At first, like when I first came to YouTube, I was binge watching a lot of people channels, but then I stopped because I realized that sometimes when you watch too many people, it make you question your own stuff. Like that's just, I'm just keeping it a buck. It make you question your own stuff. Like, damn, should I be using this? So I stopped paying attention to a lot of people. That was a long time ago. That was like a year and a half ago. I just stopped watching a lot of people. Like it was just no point, and I just focus on posting my content, and then I'm off. Like I literally don't watch people on YouTube. Like other forex traders, I don't do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's about it. Like that's my real answer. Just make things simple. Trading should be simple. You should not question the setup. When I question the setup, I will not trade. It's that simple. I'm like, if I'm looking at a level, I'm like, is that a valid level? If I'm questioning it, I'm not trading, bro. It's just that simple. Like, have a real trading plan. I made a trading plan video maybe like 8-9 months ago, maybe 10 months ago, and people still using it to this day. Like, go check it out. It's like my older videos, but go check it out. Like, it's gonna help you. But that's all I got, man. That's when I felt like I finally figured out trading, is when I made it simple. Stop overcomplicating it. Sometimes it's not the strategy. Sometimes it's you, bro. You gotta fix yourself before you can even become profitable. That's all I got. Peace and love.